Hey yo, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Raj again with a brand new video with some brand new awesome single seat options for the Interceptor 650. Well, actually this video was pending since a long time. This seat was shipped before the lockdown. Yes, I kid you not, by MK Design, and yes, this is a single seat option which I was waiting for. So the whole concept was that when I put the cafe racer cowl, basically the front visor, it matches with the seat and the entire Interceptor looks really nice, and that's why all the drag bars and everything went behind. But unfortunately this bad boy was stuck in the courier and I just got my hands on it. And yes, my last video of AEW exhaust, you did get a teaser about it. I did get some messages like, hey man, suddenly the seat changed, what's up? And I said that's a teaser, stay tuned for this video. Let's quickly talk about this Caterpillar design, old school looking single seat option for Interceptor 650 and for GT 650 by MK Design. Guess what? This is fiber back. Yes, this is the first company I've ever seen which has made fiber back so good that it actually is very similar to the stock seat by Royal Enfield. However, the only difference here is these brackets are actually metal, so they are not plastic. So this is the only option which is metal. The rest, everything is fiber. Good construction, good fit, really fits well. Does have the grip knobs exactly like the stock seat. I really like it. Yes, it's comfortable, it's padded well. I'm sure you guys gonna ask, is this good for long distance? I have not tested that. We are all under lockdown, and that's why these videos are coming often, mostly in my house about my studio and stuff like that. But I hope you guys understand, and I hope things get better so that we can ride a lot. I'm gonna post regular videos now. I hope I can test this for a long ride and then give you the verdict how comfortable the seat is. But the build quality and everything is so strong. I'm damn surprised that MK Design could get the same color of my motorcycle, which is so cool. I'm sure a lot of you guys must be wondering that how this stands comparing to the stock seat, the single seat option by RE. The only difference I feel, this is longer, the scoop is longer, and when you put it on Interceptor, it actually covers the entire rear area for your rear fender, so which is really decent. And even the paint and finish, everything is really good. You will see some nice cinematic shots any which way, so you'll get an idea how this seat is. So I stopped by at a mobile store to change my scratch guard, and I had stopped there for a while and people were asking me that where did you get the seat from, and they were also fascinated with the handlebar and the exhaust. So overall mods are going good. I hope this pandemic situation really gets over so we can ride our motorcycles on highway. And if you like this short and sweet video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that yet. Plenty of videos coming your way, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto.